Hi dears, let's see the symbols and letters used while drawing human heart. Let's draw human heart once more. The first symbol used is the symbol of heart, the symbol of love. The only difference is that it is slightly shifted to left side. Secondly, we have to draw two curved lines. These lines shows septum. And thirdly, two V shapes. These V shapes show valves. Now we can see the heart is divided into four chambers. Four chambers are there in our heart. Now, next letter is the shape of T. And we can see it is actually pulmonary artery. It is the only artery which carries impure blood or carbon dioxide rich blood. It is coming from heart, so the name is artery. But pulmonary artery, the T-shaped artery which carries impure blood. All blood vessels which coming from heart we call artery. But here it is pulmonary artery carry impure blood. Next letter is the shape of S, but not full S. Only half S is drawn. It shows aorta, the largest artery in our human body. It starts from the part of T and ends in lower part of atrium. Aorta is the largest artery in human body. Now the letters used T, half S is over. Next, inverted V shape also shows valves. End of pulmonary artery and aorta we can see inverted L shape, that shows valve. Now we have to draw two more parallel lines along the wall of heart. It shows muscles. We can see muscles are there in our heart. Heart is a muscular organ. Now we have to draw 4 times letter A. Actually, this letter A shows veins, blood vessels. It is coming to heart, so the name veins. Now, let's start the labeling. It is aorta. Second T-shaped is pulmonary artery. And now, these two are pulmonary veins. It carry pure blood from lungs. This is superior vena cava. Superior vena cava brings impure blood from upper parts of our body. It is inferior vena cava. It brings impure blood from lower parts of body. Now, next part. Upper chambers are there. This is left side and this is right side. So, upper chamber is left atrium and this chamber we call right atrium. These two chambers are there. Now, lower part we call right ventricle and this part is called left ventricle. And the valve which separates right atrium and right ventricle is called tricuspid valve, and this valve which separates left atrium from left ventricle that we call bicuspid valve, and the valve separate blood is septum. Now labeling is completed. Now we will see working of heart. Impure blood from superior vena cava and inferior vena cava reaches the right atrium first. Blood flow start from atrium. In right atrium inside the heart, it flows into right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. When it reaches right ventricle, this valve shuts, pressure increases, it forces pulmonic valve to open, blood flows into pulmonary artery into either side of lungs. In the lungs, blood purification, is completed, then pure blood through pulmonary veins reaches the left atrium. From left atrium, blood reaches into left ventricle through bicuspid valve. When it reaches left ventricle, pressure of blood increases. It forces aortic valve to open, and valve opens and blood flows into the aorta. And from aorta, pure blood is circulated to all organs of our body.